At exactly midnight on October 1, 2025, NASA's voice vanished. Every feed, every tweet, every mission log went dark. The official message: a government shutdown. But the timing couldn't have been worse or stranger. Because at that exact moment, an interstellar visitor, the third ever detected in human history, entered its closest window for observation near Mars. Public data streams cut to black just as the cosmos delivered its rarest messenger. Across the world, telescopes kept tracking in silence. Only European orbiters and faint Martian probes continued to whisper through the void. Was it coincidence, or something far more deliberate? When the universe speaks, and the world's most powerful space agency goes mute, the question becomes, what aren't we supposed to see? The object, codenamed 3I, Atlas, was first spotted by the Chilean Atlas survey on July 1, 2025. Its orbit refused to close, a path too fast, too steep, too free. Within weeks, astronomers confirmed the impossible: it wasn't from our solar system. A wanderer born in another star's debris field, now cutting across Mars' orbit for just 7 days. From October 1 to 7, the geometry was perfect. The visitor's path would sweep within 30 million kilometers of Mars, a once-in-a-lifetime alignment. Every major observatory prepared for it. ESA's Mars Express, ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter, NASA's MRO in Maven, China's Tianwen-1, and the UAE's Hope, all ready to capture the faint glow of alien ice and dust. And then, silence. At 12:01 a.m., the Anti-Deficiency Act triggered, forcing NASA to shut down public communication. The rules were strict: no posts, no data, no press briefings. Only essential flight operations could continue, hidden behind a firewall of legal silence. The orbiters kept working. Commands went out. Data came in. But to the public, it was as if NASA had vanished. For 7 nights, Mars became the solar system's most important observatory, and the rest of us were blind. ESA's teams kept logging images, astrometric data, faint chemical spectra. But outside those sealed servers, the blackout became fuel for chaos. Threads exploded online, theories of discovery, of suppression, of an anomaly so strange it demanded silence. Was 3I, ATLAS just another comet? Or something different, metallic, intelligent, engineered? Every interstellar visitor before it had rewritten the rules. Oumuamua in 2017, a tumbling shard that accelerated like no rock should. Borisov in 2019, a textbook comet that still defied predictions. Now, the third, arriving during the 1 week NASA couldn't speak. Behind closed doors, the Red Watch crew, the skeleton shift authorized to run flight ops during the shutdown, worked without rest. They checked every instrument, logged every command. Outside, rumors spread faster than light. Theories of hidden spectra, of broken trajectories, of secret discoveries buried behind the word, shutdown. The truth, as always, hid in the numbers. When data finally began to flow again, post-blackout logs told a quieter story. ESA's archives showed smooth trajectories. No impossible accelerations, no unexplained signals. The coma chemistry looked familiar: carbon, water, silicate dust. Yet even in normalcy, mystery lingered. Because coincidence that perfect, a cosmic event silenced by law, feels almost designed. Scientists call it a stress test of transparency. For 7 days, the gap between knowledge and narrative became a chasm. The world saw silence and imagined conspiracy. But sometimes, silence isn't proof of a cover-up. Sometimes it's just the universe reminding us how fragile our grasp on truth really is. Still, something about this encounter refuses to fade. The geometry, the timing, the hush that fell exactly as the visitor passed. The receipts are being released now, orbital logs, Mars spectra, and telemetry. Everything fits the model. Everything looks normal. But maybe, normal, isn't the point. Maybe what matters is what happens when the universe sends a message, and our microphones go dark. For now, the record will read, a smooth hyperbolic orbit, a 7-day silence, and a story that left humanity listening to static while something ancient brushed past Mars and vanished into the sun. Maybe it was coincidence. Maybe it wasn't. Either way, the sky was never quiet, only we were.